guys, I'm Ann and welcome to Chronically Beautiful, where we are trying to live our best life, even though we probably don't feel like it. And I am getting sweaty in my basement today doing some dance videos. So we're doing some TikTok stuff for my dance class at school. And I figured I'd just make some tutorial videos for anybody else who might want to learn these dances, especially if you're old like me and need a little extra slow help because you can't keep up with all those kids on TikTok. My life. So we are here, we are learning, we are having fun. Today we're gonna learn the Say So dance, which is really easy and super cute, and I hope you're really gonna enjoy it. If that sounds like something you're into, stick around, but first don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoy the video, share it, give it a thumbs up, and if you ring the bell, you can be notified of all my future uploads. All right, you guys, let's dive right in. Okay, so it starts off, you didn't even notice, so you're gonna start by doing no hands. No. You didn't, and then you go up. It's almost like a crown. You didn't even, and then you're gonna knock your head. You didn't even notice. And you're just gonna be like really cute and sassy during that whole thing. Or masculine and handsome, depending on what your vibe is. So you're here, you didn't even notice. And then it says something about punches. So you're gonna take your right hand and bring it around and do a punch. Like punch the crap out of somebody. So you didn't even notice the punches. We're really punching, okay? So from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, crown, hit, hit, punch. Okay? From there, we're gonna do this awesome world's longest body roll. So you're gonna be doing this, rolling hands. So just body only, you're gonna go roll all the way through and sit. So this is like the world's longest body roll. So we're starting up at the top of our head. So we're here, we're leaning forward, roll, and then we roll back, and then sit. So one more time, we lean our front chest forward, body forward, head forward, boom, and then we try to take the rest of our body to follow that line. So 2, 2, 3, 4, sit. And then we're gonna do that while we roll our hands. Boom, 2, 3, 4, sit. Oh, so one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, sit. And it does take a long time in the music. So you didn't even notice the punches that we roll. 2, 3, 4, sit. So didn't even notice the punches that you roll. You've got to keep. So you're going to sit your butt down on the word keep your focus. So you're going to keep your and you can do this whatever hand, it doesn't matter. Focus. And I like to turn my hand when I do it. Focus. And I also like to switch the weight on my feet because I think that's cute. So we did to keep your focus. So I'm not going to reteach the whole thing, but I've looked at the dance again just to double check it, and it looks like we go here, and there's like a little swoopy thing before you go to the crown. So if you want to add that, you can. So here, here, hit, hit, punch, roll, keep, focus. You want to say so. So the TikTok girls need to be doing that. They do like focus, finger guns, cross, throw it away. So if that makes you happy, do that. I kind of just do my own thing at the end because I just kind of do my own thing in life. So from the beginning, it doesn't even punch, roll, 2, 3, keep, focus. You want to say you throw your punch and then roll, 2, 3, 4, keep your focus. You want to say so. One more time. You want to keep your focus. You want to say so. Pretty easy, right? Okay, thank you guys so much for coming, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep coming back. Take care of you. Or better yet, you can go into my TikTok at chronically_beaut, B-E-A-U-T, and you can look me up there and watch my videos. I don't have a ton of them. Or you can do hashtag SAHS dance to see what me and my students are up to right now.